Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Pilot key battery. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, which is perfect for prying open the key fob without causing damage. Additionally, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery on hand. This specific battery type is crucial for your key fob's proper function, so double-check you have the correct one before starting. Now let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the side and slide out the emergency key. This step is important for accessing the internal components. Next, find the seam where the two halves of the key fob meet. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this seam. With a gentle twist, the two halves should separate, revealing the battery compartment inside. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, take a quick look at how the old battery is oriented. Typically, the positive side faces up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its slot. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its designated slot. Now, test all the buttons to ensure they function correctly. If everything works, you're all set. And hey, if you're looking for some fantastic deals on e-readers or other cool gadgets, make sure to check the description below for links and special offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.